Hello and welcome to Nico's Cook Nook. I am Nico, and today I'm going to show you how to make a black raspberry sauce. First things first, we need to get our water. Need about a third cup of water right there. We're going to just boil this along with just a half cup of sugar. Once this boils down and dissolves all that sugar, we're going to put it in our blender with 1 cup of blackberries, 1 cup of raspberries, 1 tablespoon of lemon. This is very good on desserts and it's also good on pancakes and waffles. And we'll be right back as soon as it starts boiling. Okay, and we're back. We got our water nice and boiling. Go ahead and turn off that heat. All of our sugar has dissolved. So now all we need to do is put that in there. Start blending. And here's our black raspberry sauce. Right in there. You can see it's a little thick. If you want it even thicker, you can add more blackberries, add more raspberries. If you like extra sweet, you can add more sugar. But that's that. And with that, you can make desserts like a cheesecake. You can do waffles, pancakes. You can put a banana on your pancake with the sauce. You can put it in a plastic bag, like a Ziploc bag, or you can put it in a piping bag and make some beautiful desserts. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.